In this video, I will show you how to work the slip stitch seam technique. This is a decorative technique that is used to join two pieces. It is used in our Maybe Baby bag pattern. Today I will be joining these two pieces made from Wool and the Gang's Buddy Hemp yarn in Crochet tan with Buddy Hemp yarn in Midnight Blue using a 5mm crochet hook. Okay, let's get started. First, you need to place the two pieces you want to join on top of each other and line up the stitches. Then, I'm going to make a slip knot on my crochet hook. And with the two pieces together, I'm going to insert my hook through the front loop only of the front piece. Then I'm going to insert it through the back loop only of the second piece. Then I'm going to wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through all three loops. There we go, we've joined our first stitch. So I'm going to do that again for the second stitch. So that's through the front loop of the first stitch, and then through the back loop of the second stitch, and then pull the yarn through all three loops. I'm going to continue in this way until I've joined my whole seam. So now I've joined my last two stitches. I'm going to cut the yarn and pull it through the stitch to secure my work. And there you go. That's how you join two pieces with slip stitch. Thanks for watching.